Today, I'm going to teach you how to do a test order on WooCommerce. This is incredibly useful when you're setting up your online store and want to make sure your checkout process works smoothly before real customers start making purchases. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're logged into the account where your WooCommerce store is set up, as this is where we'll be making all our changes. After logging in, look at the left navigation menu and click on Plugins. This will expand a set of options for managing your WordPress plugins. From these expanded options, click on Add Plugin. This takes you to the Plugins directory where you can browse and install new functionality for your site. On the Plugins page, you'll see a wide variety of plugins available to enhance your WooCommerce account. At the top of the page, locate the search bar and type in Test Order. From the search results that appear, look specifically for a plugin called WC Order Test-WP Fix-It. Once you find it, click on More Details to get a better understanding of what this plugin does and how it functions. This plugin is designed specifically to help you run test orders without affecting your actual store data or payment processing. When you're ready to proceed, click on Install Now. The installation might take a moment to complete, so just be patient while WordPress downloads and sets up the plugin. Once the installation finishes, you'll see a button that says Activate. Click on it to enable the plugin on your site. After your page refreshes with the newly activated plugin, navigate back to the left sidebar and click on WooCommerce. This will expand another set of options specific to your store management. From this expanded menu, click on Settings. On the Settings page, you'll notice several section tabs running across the top of your screen. Click on the one labeled Payments. This is where all your payment gateway configurations are managed. Here you'll see that WooCommerce Order Test has been added to your list of payment options. Click on Enable next to it to activate the test mode for your checkout process. Now we're ready to actually run a test order. Look at the top right part of your screen where you'll see a drop-down menu with your site name. Click on this drop-down and select Visit Store. This takes you to the front-end view of your store, just as your customers would see it. Browse through and add a sample product to your cart. Then navigate to the cart page. Once you've confirmed the item is in your cart, click on Proceed to Checkout. On the checkout page, you'll notice an important message stating that payment gateways are disabled for testing purposes. This is exactly what we want to see. It means the plugin is working correctly. Fill out the checkout form with test information. Then simply click on Place Order. You'll be redirected to the order completion page, confirming that your test order has been successfully placed. You've now completed a test order on your WooCommerce account, allowing you to verify that your checkout flow works properly without processing any real payments. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.